nice thing is we publish centrally, they get a pop-up, there is new content, they download the new content, they start using it the next day in front of their customers. Well, Atlas Copco is the market leader when it comes to building compressors. Besides compressors, we also are known for mining equipment, construction equipment, and pneumatic and electric tools. Well, if you look at our division, being responsible for service, we have in total in worldwide about 830 sales engineers, which are people that are going to customers and selling service. If you take a look at the whole Atlas Copco organization, we can easily say that taking all the business areas, probably around 3,000 sales representatives. Part of our sales is done to the indirect channel. We try to get our business model is to try to go to direct. But in regions where we don't have the presence, we work with an indirect model, as well as for our other brands. Besides Atlas Copco, within the Atlas Copco group, we also have other brands of compressors, and they are also mainly sold to the indirect channel. We have a central way of having information, but for a salesperson who is in a country, it needs to be completed with local information. So when Showpad came up with a solution to add local content in there, we have now countries that are onboarding. One example is the UK, where they say, okay, we take the global content, but we add local information. That could be pricing information, could be local products. With that added in there, they started to use it. Then we have a rental division, which is part of construction technique, and they're also using it. They're using it to their salespeople. They have about 180 users there, and they also use it for sharing information. When I look at my role, communications and also competence development, for me crucial is time to information. How fast can we get information from a central point to the point of use? So if I create something for salespeople, how fast can I get salespeople to use this in front of customers? If I go back in old days, it was either a printed brochure, and printed brochures, they have to be printed first, then they have to be shipped, locally translated, and then people use them, but they still have a stack of the old brochures and things like that. Now with digital information, it can go faster. The sales process has evolved from selling products to selling solutions. And if you want to sell solutions to customers, you have to kind of figure out what are the needs of a customer. And Showpad allows you to quickly change from seeing the customer is not interested in to do this into something else, because you have all the information with you. Now people really create from here to there, they jump from left to right depending on what the customer is interested with. With that, they build basically a portfolio, and at the end of the sales talk they say, okay, we send it to you, and the customer has all this information. No more back office to be done, to say, okay, I have noted down what he's interested for, let's prepare all the leaflets, let's send all the links. You do it on site.